To achieve ideal health for an athletic body, it's important to focus on proper nutrition and regular exercise. A balanced diet rich in lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is essential for fueling your body. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to support your overall performance. Incorporate strength training exercises into your routine to build muscle and increase strength. Cardiovascular exercises like running, swimming, or cycling help improve endurance and burn calories. Don't forget to prioritize rest and recovery to allow your body to repair and grow stronger. Consistency is key. Stick to your fitness plan and make it a part of your lifestyle for long-term success. Listen to your body and adjust your workouts accordingly to prevent injuries and overtraining. Remember, achieving an athletic body is a journey. Stay motivated, stay disciplined, and enjoy the process.